Hey everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. Today, we are going to create something super exciting and mind-blowing in Scratch. A 3D maze. You have seen so many mazes multiple times in magazines or in your book, right? But here, we are going to create the 3D maze which will give you a real experience like you are moving in between the walls. So here, just be with us till the end and you can see how we can give the 3D effect to the normal maze and it convert into 3D maze. But before that, don't miss to hit the like button, subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. And get ready because this is going to be take your Scratch skill to the next level. So let's jump right into it. Let's go. So this is our Scratch screen. First I'm going to delete this cat. You know we can paint our maze also. But here we are not going to paint. First I will show you there is one link which will help you to generate different kind of maze from easy to more advanced. Do you want to create your own maze design? So let's go. First we'll go to Google and here I will type www.mazegenerator.net and now I'm just click on it and you can see this is the maze generator and we're going to open it. And this is our maze generator. How much complicated or simple maze if you want to generate, you can use this link and you can create by your own. Like here, there is some width and the height you need to select. According to your choice, you can select the shape. Like if you want to make your maze in rectangular shape, you can do it. In circular, triangle or hexagon. In which shape you want, you can do it. And here, on the basis of the changing of width and height, you can make your maze more complicated, so increase the value, and if you want to make it easy, so you can decrease this value. Here it's by default mentioned 2020 and here I'm going to click on generate and then you will see the effect. Okay, you can see our maze is here, right? Like suppose you want to make it more big or complicated maze, so just you increase the number. Like here I will type 50 and here also I will type 50 and then again generate new. Okay, oh my god, it's too big, right? I don't want this much. So I will take the small maze right now. I'll take 10 width and 10 height. This much is good for me. Now generate new. Yeah, this one is fine. If you want to change that style, that also you can do. Like here is mentioned start at the top or start at the bottom or inner room you want, you can do it. Here it's very simple. You can download it easily in your system. Just in which format you want, you can select from here. Like here is mentioned PDF, A3, A4, A2 size. Like I want in the image form, so I will take it PNG and I just select the PNG and click on download. Okay, you can see my image is downloaded and now I'm going to upload this maze on my Scratch screen. Now I'm going to upload my maze. So I'll just click on the upload sprite and here is my maze. I just click on it and open and you can see the beautiful maze is here, right? Go to costume and here you can see the white background behind it. So just we'll take the fill and click on it. Now you can see the background is removed. First I'll just make it little small, convert to vector, select it and keep it little short. Yes, this would be fine. I need one more sprite. You can take any circular shape or you can download it anything. I just choose the costume and here I will take one ball. Yes, this one is my ball. Now I'll just change the name of the costume. Here I will write maze and this one is ball. And now in the ball, I just decrease its size, make it fix in the 4 squares and centralize it. Little bit more small to create the 3D effect. This one is play very important role over here. You can see on stage, a tiny ball. Okay, now go back to code, and here also you can change the name. I will write maze over here. Now start the coding. First, when the green flag click, then I want the ball should be height first. For that, go to looks and take height, and I'll fix its position. So go to x and y. X value would be 10 and the y value I will take 1. Now first I want to switch the costume to the ball. For that, go to looks and take switch the costume to the ball. And now just click on the green flag. You can see the ball is hide because we are not showing show over here. If you want to see the ball, you can go to event and take when the space key press and go to looks and take show. Now I'll just press the space key. You can see ball is here, right? I want to show the graphic effect. For that, we need to change its size, right? So we'll take the size, set size to 100%. Instead of 100%, I will take 900%. And now if I'll just press on the space key, you will see the size become big. It will become 9 times more than the previous 100% size. One more block I want from the looks, that is change the brightness, because on the basis of the brightness it looks great to show the 3D effect, right? For that, I will take change color effect by 25, and instead of color I will make it brightness, and here I will take it 30. Then I want to control again and take repeat action, because it will going to create multiple clones. These clones is create the 3D effect of that particular sprite. So I will make the repeat action for 25 times, and then afterwards in this control we'll take create clone of myself, and then also I'm going to change the brightness, and it would be changed by -1. And then afterwards the size also going to change little bit, the smallest to the bigger with the little change, so it will look like it will create a 3D effect. For that, I will take change size by 15. Again, go to control, take when I start as a clone, it should show the maze, right? Okay. Do you want to see the effect? I just click on the green flag. Oh my god. You can see how the beautiful 3D effect of the maze is created. You can see now the walls of maze. Before that, it looked like only simple maze, and now you can see at the back side it make a layer of the same maze and which make the 3D walls. If you want to increase the brightness effect in that, so you can do it, like instead of 30 I will make it 50, and now you will see the effect. It make it little lighter. You can see from the front to the back side, so it will show some graphical effect. If you want to make it move and look it more visualize, so for that we are going to create the hitbox over here. For that, I need to duplicate it, and this one I will give the name hitbox. Now in this hitbox, what we need to do, I don't want the repeat action over here. I don't want when I press a space key it will show like this. And this one, the clone also I don't want, so I will not take this. And also we don't want the height. Here I will take the ghost effect because it should be height. For that, I will take it set ghost effect by 100. So hitbox will not visible. X and Y position will take same, but the size will little increase, because if any sprite will use this maze to solve the maze puzzle and any sprite will move, so sometimes on the wall the sprite gets stuck and it will not move, but the hitbox make a layer surrounding to our original maze, so that's why the sprite will not get stuck on the wall and it can move smoothly, right? So we'll increase the size. You can make it as much you want. I will make it 1200, and the brightness also I don't want to change it for the hitbox, but the costume I will take, that is instead of ball I want maze. This one is done. Now my hitbox is ready. Now, if you want to make this maze move according to you, for that, what should we do? We are using the up and down and right and left key, and then we can move our maze and we'll see how it show the beautiful 3D effect, right? Go to control, use forever loop. Here, if then, and in this if then, we'll use the sensing block, key press, and we'll place it over here. First, we'll take up arrow, and then in up arrow, what we need to change? Change y by. Here I will take change y by -10, and now I'm going to duplicate it, place it over here again, and one more time. Yes. Here, instead of up arrow, I will take down arrow, and the y value I will take +10. And for here, I will take right arrow, and right arrow value I will take change instead of y by, change x by, and that would be -10. And for left arrow, I will take change x by +10. Yes. Now again go back to the maze, and here the x and y position of the maze will set according to the hitbox. Then you can see how according to the hitbox it will move along with that. Now go to control, take forever loop, go to motion to set x and y position, set x2 and set y2. And now go to sensing, take backdrop of stage, place it over here, and in this select the hitbox. Here also x position and here y position. Yes. Okay. Now I just click on the green flag, and you can use your arrow keys to show the movement. Oh my god. Doesn't it look beautiful? See how beautifully it's get changed, right? And showing the 3D effect, right? Oh wow. You can change the value according to your choice, and you can see the change in this 3D effect. Suppose change size by, I will make it 10, and then you want to see the effect. You can see it show little smooth on the surface, right? This thing. So this is our 3D maze. To make it more 3D effect, what we need to do over here, we can multiply its size and divide it by the actual size of hitbox. So it will look like more lively effect on the maze, like it's moving like a movie scene. For that, what we need to do, I am going to use the operator blocks, divide by and the multiply by, and will place this divide by inside the multiply by. Go to look and we'll take size. Place the size over here, and this one x position of hitbox will place over here, and here we'll type the hitbox value which we have written. Like I have written 1200, so I will take it 1200 and make it duplicate, and instead of x position here we'll take y position. Now delete this, put this on set x2, and here this one will put set y2. It's done. I just show on the big screen. I just click on the green flag. Oh wow. Now see how the wall is moving more lively. You can easily move your sprite in between 3D walls and show the 3D effect, right? It's look like a 3D wall. See, it's get move upside down, like see here. You can see the floor, but when you move it look like a plain black line. So it shows the real 3D effect, how you can see the walls, and here you can use it to show the 3D maze game. Like first I'll just press the space key and you will see the ball as well. The ball is also moving very smoothly. You can play very beautiful 3D maze game over here. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will not miss the latest update. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Bye-bye.